Here I've got XOLO Era for X, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and click on About Phone. Now you have to locate build number, it's right here, and tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, now we are a developer, so let's go back to the previous screen, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. Click on them to activate developer options, and now you can come along with all the super features, all the operations. You can perform whatever you want to, just come along with the options and then use them. So for example, if you would like to force activities to be resizable, just tap on the switcher and now it's active. Then you can also show notification channel warnings, you can switch off activities, you can disable your USB audio routing, just click here to do it, then you can deactivate it the same way. You can debug GPU overdraw, force GPU rendering, you can change your layout, you can for example activate RTL layout direction, so if you are left-handed that would be the perfect option. Then you can show surface updates, show tabs, change Bluetooth settings and just do whatever you want to. Let me just turn off RTL layout and just come along with the features, with the options and use them. And if you would like to turn developer options off, tap here. And as you can see, they are no longer active. If you will go back, they disappeared. So if you would like to activate developer options one more time, you have to perform the same trick again. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.